Today we're going to dive into a topic that's absolutely vital for your overall health and well-being: healthy eating. You might be thinking, I've heard it all before: eat your veggies, stay away from junk food. But trust me, this isn't just another video. We'll explore the real science-backed reasons why a balanced, nutritious diet is so important, and how it can transform your life in ways you might not have even imagined. So, whether you're struggling with health issues, looking to boost your energy levels, or simply want to feel your best, this video is for you. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to make some positive changes in your eating habits. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. The impact on physical health. First and foremost, let's talk about the direct impact that healthy eating has on your physical health. Your body is an incredible machine, and the fuel you provide it in the form of food plays a crucial role in how well it functions. When you consume a diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to thrive. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that support every aspect of your physical well-being. For instance, did you know that a diet high in fruits and vegetables can significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer? That's because these foods are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and other protective compounds that help to keep your cells healthy and your body functioning optimally. On the other hand, a diet high in processed, high-fat, and high-sugar foods can wreak havoc on your body. These foods are often devoid of nutrients and can contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and an increased risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and obesity. But the benefits of healthy eating go beyond just disease prevention. A well-balanced diet can also improve your energy levels, boost your immune system, and even support better sleep. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you'll notice a significant difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. The impact on mental health. Speaking of mental health, did you know that what you eat can have a profound impact on your mood, cognitive function, and overall mental well-being? It's true. The connection between diet and mental health is an area of growing research, and the findings are nothing short of fascinating. For starters, the nutrients found in a healthy diet play a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are responsible for regulating mood, sleep, and overall brain function. When you're deficient in certain nutrients, it can disrupt the balance of these neurotransmitters, leading to issues like depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. On the flip side, a diet rich in foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other brain-boosting nutrients, has been linked to improved mood, better cognitive function, and a reduced risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. But it's not just about the specific nutrients. The overall balance and variety of your diet also play a crucial role in mental health. Research has shown that diets high in processed, inflammatory foods can contribute to increased rates of depression and anxiety, while diets rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods have the opposite effect. It's also worth noting that the gut-brain connection is a significant factor in mental health. The gut microbiome, the collection of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in your digestive system, can influence everything from your mood to your cognitive function. A diet high in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics can help to support a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn can have a positive impact on your mental health. The importance of balance and moderation. Now, before you start feeling overwhelmed or like you need to completely overhaul your diet, let's talk about the importance of balance and moderation. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation or following a strict restrictive plan. It's about finding a sustainable way of eating that nourishes your body, satisfies your taste buds, and fits into your lifestyle. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to eat healthier is going to extremes. They completely cut out entire food groups or follow fad diets that are nearly impossible to maintain long-term. This approach is not only unsustainable, but it can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, disordered eating patterns, and a negative relationship with food. Instead of adopting an all-or-nothing mentality, focus on incorporating more nutrient-dense, whole foods into your diet while still allowing room for the occasional treat or indulgence. The key is to find a balance that works for you and your individual needs and preferences. It's also important to remember that healthy eating isn't just about the food itself. It's also about your mindset and relationship with food. Practicing mindful eating, listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and enjoying your meals without guilt or shame are all essential components of a healthy, sustainable approach to eating. Remember, small, consistent changes can add up to big results over time. Start by swapping out a few processed snacks for fresh fruits or vegetables, or try incorporating more whole grains and lean proteins into your meals. Every little step you take towards a more balanced, nutritious diet is a step in the right direction. So there you have it, friends, a comprehensive look at why healthy eating is so crucial for your overall well-being. From boosting your physical health and reducing your risk of chronic diseases, to supporting better mental health and cognitive function. The benefits of a balanced, nutrient-dense diet are truly remarkable. But more than that, healthy eating is about so much more than just the food on your plate. It's about nourishing your body, mind, and spirit and cultivating a positive, sustainable relationship with food that supports your overall quality of life. So what are you waiting for? Start making small changes today and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, you've got this, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. Make sure to watch other food-related content posted on my channel, like cool kitchen gadgets and meal prepping.